The dollar value of a collar on bad air clues. Why are there limits on air pollutants you can spew? Immediately deaths, hospitalizations, asthma symptoms, heart attacks and strokes, and other odd body rhythm strums. Long-term illnesses like cancer and heart disease. Remember the last time you had the chance to seize the hand of a loved one, coughing their last breath, to say the last words to ease their sorrow at their death. Now human life is a zero added to the calculation of the cost of their life and your life, and also abdication of the original aim of the Environmental Protection Agency, to protect the life of the planet and human life collaterally. The EP still calculates the cost of loss of commerce, but now the added value of human life is zero or less. Since 1910, and EA used the best available science to quantify the benefits to human health, and licensed the EPA to assign human health benefit dollar values based on economic models compared to business values. After costs were imposed on businesses to cut their pollution, in 2020 Seed said is no longer the US government solution. Biden figures show clearly every particular regulation was positive valuation in terms of human health. But if human health was not in the equation, businesses could argue no regulation would suit them better, although no regulation would also negatively affect the weather. In 2024, the Biden EP has strengthened its standard for fine particulates in the air. Suit regulation would provide $46 billion of health benefits per year, resulting largely from 4,500 reverted premature deaths and 800,000 fewer cases of asthma symptoms. This was 77 times the wealth cost of the regulation to companies of reducing air pollution. The Biden EPA assigned those health benefits, dollar values versus economic models of pockets lined with profit and minus the regulation cost on businesses for cutting their pollution. Biden 2040 calculations show most regulations were very much worth it to the health of humans. The dollar value of a collar on bad air clues. Why are there limits on air pollutants you can spew? Immediately deaths, hospitalizations, asthma symptoms,